Hey guys, Ralph here, and today we're going to change all the wiper blades of our Toyota Highlander. So we have 26 inches wiper blade for the driver side, 18 inches for the passenger, and I have this 10 inches for the rear. First, we're going to put all the wiper blades on service mode. So for the rear wiper blade, you just need to pull this cover and then pull it up so it will be on the service mode. Just push out the wiper blade and it should come right off. And as you can see, this wiper blade needs to be replaced. So we got this 10 inches wiper blade for the rear. This is the old one and this is the new one. Same thing, you just need to push it in. So for the front, you just need a something small like a flathead screwdriver and pop it open like this. Here you go, we just removed that old windshield wiper. We're going to install the new one. Same thing, you just need to put it on that J hook. Now we're going to do the passenger side. The same thing, same process. We're gonna install this 18 inches wiper blade connected to that J hook. And here it is, guys. It's kind of hard to show it to you because I'm holding the camera on my other hand, but yeah, you just need to push it on the J hook, and that's how you replace and install new wiper blades for the driver, passenger, and rear of Toyota Highlander. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.